Hi guys, for this video I'm using yarn in size 3 and the crochet hook in size 3.75 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 5. Now on the last chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now for row 1 I'll chain 1, then right here through this loop I'll make 12 single crochet. Now to complete row 1, right here through this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll use yarn in different color. Then right there through that chain where we have finished the previous row, I'll insert the hook, then through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 3. Through the same chain I'll make 3 double crochet. We need 4, but that 3 chain in the beginning of row counts as 1. Now I insert the hook right here through this first double crochet chain, which is our 3rd chain, then through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 5, and that's called a popcorn stitch, by the way. Through his next single crochet chain I'll make 4 double crochet. I insert this hook right here through his first double crochet chain, then through a slip knot loop and pull through. Again I'll chain 5. Through his next single crochet chain I'll make 4 double crochet. Then through his first double crochet chain I insert a hook, then through a slip knot loop and pull through. We already made 3 popcorn stitches with 5 chains in between, but for row 2 we need 12 popcorn stitches with 5 chains in between. We repeat this throughout row 2. Now that we have 12 popcorn stitches, to complete row 2 I'll chain 5, then right here through his first popcorn stitch I'll make a slip stitch. This completes row 2. For row 3, through his next 2 chains I'll make a slip stitch. Through his 5 chain loop, same one, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5. Then through his next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 7. Then right here through his next 5 chain loop I'll make a popcorn stitch. I'll chain 7. Through his next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5. Through his next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 7. Through his next 5 chain loop I'll make a popcorn stitch. chain 7. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 5. Through the next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 7. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make a popcorn stitch. Chain 7. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 5. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 7. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make a popcorn stitch. Chain 7. Then through a single crochet chain that we made in the beginning of the row I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. This completes row 3. Now I'll weave these ends in. This square measures 3.5 inches. This is all for today, guys, and I'll see you next time with another video.